Hey guys, I was at Costco today. It looks like they have the DJI MAVIC Air bundle on sale at Costco again for $799. This is a pretty okay price, to be honest. They sell other bundles online for a lot similar to this, and I'll leave the link below if you're interested. But basically, the nice thing about this drone is that it's very compact. It basically folds up. It's propellers, and it's very travelable in terms of a 4K camera that you control that has up to a 4 kilometer range, 30 frames per second, 12 megapixel raw stills, and a 21-minute flight time, which is pretty awesome. The bundle does include those protective guards as well as a bag. That's not that much different between. I prefer if they actually gave me another battery. That would be a lot more useful. It does have a 3-axis gimbal camera, 32 megapixel sphere panoramas, and a slow motion. High quality camera, that's really cool. The 3D folding design is really awesome, as well as a foldable remote control and active track, which is nice as well. It does come with accessories like the gimbal clamp, as well as all the different radio control cables to connect to your phone to the remote control, as well as a micro USB cable, which is pretty cool. 3-directional flight sensing, smart capture, the gimbal. Pretty nice design, very compact, and it's a good bundle. It's not bad, but the things that, like I said, you could probably get this cheaper online or bundled with an extra battery or something else that's a little bit more useful. So anyways, I figured I'd let you guys know first. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell button for more Costco finds and stuff, and see you next time. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.